The information contained in this video is not financial advice. Please do your own research. With that being said, let us get into today's topic.
Hi, my name is Vuyokazi.
Welcome to my channel. My name is Vuyokazi. Thank you for clicking on this video. I really do appreciate you. This is the 8th episode of the Crypto 2020 series, and we are continuing with the topic of Bitcoin. On the previous video, we have spoken about Bitcoin halving, and today we are going to look at the price of Bitcoin after a Bitcoin halving event. There can only be 21 million Bitcoin ever to be produced. We are currently not yet at 21 million. New Bitcoins are produced every 10 minutes. And every 4 years, we have a halving event where the number of Bitcoins produced gets cut into half. Bitcoin halving has a very positive impact on the price of Bitcoin, because when you're cutting the supply in half, then the demand goes higher and the value goes higher, and this has a great impact on the price of Bitcoin eventually. On a personal note, I got into Bitcoin in early 2016. The price was around 7,500 Rand per Bitcoin. And we were looking at it thinking, yo, this thing is so expensive. We want to get into it, but ish.
Do me a favor, please. Get out of here. Get out of here, man. Shit, I'm saying.
But at that time, we were still new to Bitcoin and we didn't realize the power of Bitcoin and what a great investment it was to get in the market while it was still early. So I got to experience the second Bitcoin halving in 2016, and I did witness the prices going up. From 7,000, gradually it went to 8,000 Rand per Bitcoin and to 10,000 Rand per Bitcoin. I have a video which I had uploaded back in 2016 that shows the price 10,000 Rand per Bitcoin. In the year 2017, then the prices started to skyrocket for Bitcoin. It went to 35,000, 50,000, 80,000, 100,000, and by December 2017, we reached the all-time high of 308,000 per Bitcoin on Luno exchange. In 2018, the prices started to reverse. And when the prices go down, it's a great opportunity to start buying. These days, the price of Bitcoin is around 140,000 Rand, and the Bitcoin halving, the third one, is coming up next month in May. And I'm not expecting the prices to actually go up immediately because of the bear virus, the lockdowns, and the fear, uncertainty, and doubt that is in the markets currently. But by the year 2021, I am expecting that the price of Bitcoin will reach the all-time high price again and actually surpass Bitcoin. I'm waiting and expecting great things to come from Bitcoin. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you have enjoyed it and that you will press the like button and subscribe for more such videos. It's Vuyokazi. See you in the following week. Take care.